So good morning class. Today we are going to learn something new in RC, okay? Why do you think I didn't put a strategy here?
Because in exams you will not be telling any strategy to write.
Yes, because when we are doing an RC class, we focus on one strategy and we are doing it in the class. But in exams, is Didi going to tell you which strategies to use? No. In exam, no. That is the reason we decided that RC, Didi is not going to write the strategy. You are going to pick the strategy that applies to the text. Okay. So today, what are we going to learn about external and an internal? Internal what? What is the word? Can you read it, Zarin? Conflict. Can someone tell me what conflict means? I heard Shravani. Saijaran, what do you understand by a conflict?
I understand by conflict.
Okay, I'll give you an example. Tell me what do you understand. Me and Divya Didi went out to eat pizza. There was only, we had an issue, like every time I only pay. So Divya Didi and me had a little argument. We fought over who is going to pay money, and Divya Didi was asking why only I should pay all the time, and I said that it's not only you that pays every time, even I pay. So we had a little argument over it. So what did you understand? We had a little conflict over it. Fight. Let's use a better word, right? Argument. Conflicts means argument. Okay. So now conflicts are of two types. So what is the first type?
Internal.
And what is the second type?
External.
This means in. So internal conflict is something that goes inside us, right? Inside us. For example, I have exams tomorrow, but there is like Bahubali coming on TV. And I am thinking I want to watch Bahubali, but at the same time my mind is telling I should not watch it because tomorrow I have an exam. So am I arguing with myself in my head? So there is an argument going on in my head. What I choose is a different thing. But an argument is going inside my head, right? So that is whatever is going inside you is known as a internal. And X means in movie theater you saw a board, something written as. What does it mean? What does it mean? Yes, Mallikarjun.
Going out. Where to go?
Go out. What is the 8 that you are going out? The 8 is the theater. So X means to go. 8 is the theater. That means X means go out. So external means something that is outside of you. Okay? Something that is
Outside of you.
okay. For example, me, I wanted to go to a circus. I was all set and ready, fine. But suddenly when I opened the door, I saw that it was raining very heavily. So I couldn't go. The rain was stopping me from going to the circus. So I am having a conflict with what? Rain. What is rain? A part of? Nature. So the conflict is nature. Zarin, can you give me an example of an internal conflict?
On the day I was cleaning her bag, I found YouTube book. So I asked her, she goes, I'm going to write because I didn't learn it. So she got the book in home, she wrote. After she went to write in her friend's room, I called her and I told her so that she cannot cheat from next time now and she should get that thing and she should.
So what was the conflict going on in your mind? You said this is an internal conflict, right? So what was going on in your head?
I think so. If I tell you, the father will shout, why you, my sister will shout, why you don't, my classmates will shout. If I tell is, my integrity will improve, I think.
Okay. So what was the value that Zarin was showing before we go into that? Kavya, yes?
Integrity.
She showed integrity, she did the right thing. Can anybody tell me an example of an external conflict? External conflict that is directly related from your life and experience from your life. Nitin?
When I going with my family,
Huh?
there was
So where were you going with your family?
some picnic.
Okay, you were going with what happened then? Why couldn't you go? Did you go or didn't go? Why?
There was so much.
It was raining, like my circus thing. So that was, which part is it? Conflict with what? With what?
Nature.
Nature. Very good. External conflict is again divided into some parts. One, you have a conflict with nature and another person as well, or maybe the society. Hazira, can you give me an example where a person has an external conflict with a society? Yeah.
When my mother, my society people are there,
Hmm.
they tell me to wear burqa.
Huh.
But my mother also, my mother and my father is okay with wearing also, not wearing also I burqa.
Okay.
But my society forced my mother to tell girls, you are having a girl, you are doing like that. So it is making me difficult.
Yeah, sometimes what the society says, we being India being a traditional and orthodox society, we do need to follow those. But yes, that is a very good example of, is it an example of society? External conflict between person and society. So give me some examples of which strategy is going to be best to be able to understand conflicts.
Maybe I think connection to sensitivity.
Very good.
Connection to stress.
No.
Influencing.
Inferencing. These are the best strategies you can use to understand the situation of internal and external. Any doubts? No. So now I am going to give you worksheets and you are going to be on task, right? So he is the main character. Here, he is the main character, the name needs to be here. And who was he afraid of? Dog. So if you break a vase and he is, very good. Rishika, can you tell me what did we learn about today? Internal and external? Not inference. Lasya, can you help her? Conflict. Fine. Kavya, what is a conflict? We learnt about conflict. Like Rishika said, internal, external. But Didi is asking, what exactly do we mean by a conflict? Argument. Very good. I like the way you use the word argument. Shrija, can you tell me what is an internal conflict?
Internal means which is going on our mind. Didi, if I broke a glass, Didi,
Huh?
so I should tell to my mother or not? I think in my mind.
Okay, very good. Manikanta, can you tell, is it correct? Is she correct? Is she correct? No? What do you think no?
We think slowly. We tell on.
Is Manikanta correct?
No.
No. So that means you are confused. What Shrija said was right. And Begum, what is an external conflict? Can anybody help Begum understand?
In my society, they
Huh.
are telling we should
Begum, you can sit.
we should clean our community,
Huh?
but there is drainage.
Huh?
If we clean in that drainage smell come, they are telling arguing. Person versus person.
So you are telling they are throwing garbage on the road and some people want to clean it up and there is an argument going. Is it a conflict? Correct?
Yes.
So it is about society and what are the two quick things? Yeah, Nikhil.
Nature and person.
So I think you guys got it, right?
Yes.
Fine. Can we just wrap the class?
Yes.
Okay. We are done for today. We'll continue tomorrow.